stairs.
Yo, is he over here?
Can anyone see the brick that's unplaced?
No, but the stairs would have continued up.
Oh,
That's
whoa.
one of them that's left. And see if you come here and look at this. Have a look at this. See how that's the fireplace? There's another one there. Because that would have been, there would have been another floor above it.
Yeah. Go down there.
Wow.
Angus.
But he's not coming up the stairs. Are you excited to see the castle as well? Oh, it's a very risky move.
That is a bit, isn't it? Careful. Coming in.
This is so creepy.
Wait, let's find the corner.
Mind you, I've seen smaller prisons, at least you can stand up in this one.
Yeah. Although if you pitch blackness again. Yeah, I don't think you can walk this way. I mean, I show you the tip. No, there.
Yeah.
Come get me! I'm dead, come get me!
Hello.
Hey Angus, guess what?
What?
Royce